Hello, and welcome to the very first episode of Suited for IoT. I'm Jacob Jagger, and this series is brought to you by Onomondo, an IoT connectivity company aimed at connecting you to your devices. Over the next few videos, we'll take you on a journey through time to understand not only what IoT is, but where it came from, how it was shaped, how it runs, and how it continues to evolve today. We will then break these complex ideas down into 5 key areas: a basic understanding and a brief history of connectivity, how the telecom industry connects to the IoT ecosystem today, understanding wireless communication technologies, and understanding the applications of these technologies as well. Moving forward, we aim to help in understanding how IoT works in a more technical sense. And in future episodes, we will initially focus exclusively on cellular network technologies. So if you're just delving into the realm of IoT, or if you're already a seasoned veteran in a now 50+ year industry, there should be something for everyone. So get ready and let's get suited for IoT.